Hi guys, welcome back to Linux Bennett channel. Today we're going to be looking at algebraic fraction. Alright, so the first thing we notice that it's a fraction, but it's an algebra in the fraction. Alright, so what we do, we find the lowest common multiple, just like when you're adding and subtracting fraction. So let's find the LCM. The easy thing about this will be the LCM, the product. So we multiply x plus 5 and x minus 1. That's our LCM. So x plus 5 into this, it would leave x minus 1. So we multiply the numerator. So it's done just like regular fraction. And of course, 3 times x, that's 3x. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Next, we're going to do the same thing, but this time with x minus 1. So this will leave x plus 5. So we multiply this by x plus 5. 2 times x would give us 2x. 2 times 5 would give us 10. Alright, so now we're going to group the like terms. What do I mean by that? All the x terms must be together and all the numbers must be together. So it's going to be 3x. Remember to put the sign in front of it. Students tend to change the sign at times. Everything is on the same side basically. There is no equal sign, so everything remains the same. Right? So because this is minus 3 plus 10. And of course, we still keep our denominator, which is x plus 5 and x minus 1. For those persons who are on my live, you would have seen me do this many times. 3x plus 2x, that's 5x. Negative 3 plus 10 would give us positive 7. Remember, once the signs are different, we subtract, keep the sign of the bigger one. And of course, keep back our LCM, which is x plus 5 and x minus 1. Other student who would normally multiply this, expand this, it's not really necessary. This could be the answer. But if you had expand this, it would have been correct just the same. Alright, let's look at another scenario. Alright, so there we go. We have x minus 3 over 2 minus x plus 5 over 5. Alright, so this one is a little bit different because the number is in the denominator. So we find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. And of course, we know that that would work out to 10. That's the lowest number that 5 and 10 can go into without leaving a remainder. 2 into 10, that goes 5 times. So we expand this bracket by 5. 5 times x, that's 5x. 5 times negative 3, negative 15. And now we're going to do the same thing. 5 into 10 goes 2 times. Put this 2 right here. Now this can be a little bit tricky for a lot of students, alright? This is negative 2 we're going to be multiplying by. So negative 2 times x, that's minus 2x. Negative 2 times 5 minus 10. Again, we still have to group the like terms, so let's do that. So it's 5x, still minus 2x, as discussed in the previous one. This time, minus 15 minus 10, all over 10. Alright, let us simplify now. 5x minus 2x, that's 3x. Both of them are negative, so we add and keep the sign. So that's negative 25 over 10. And students, this cannot be reduced. The only way it can be reduced if you can find a number that can go into all three of them. For example, if this was 5x, negative 25 and 10, then it could have been reduced. Alright guys, the number here to contact me to join my class, 549-2161. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the name is Linux Bennett. I'm out, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video.